Right, good morning from Cheshire. This is where we stayed last night. Nice little pub stroke hotel. And now we're heading back into Chester. And we're back. Free parking again at the cemetery. Today in Chester we're going to walk along the river. And this time try and walk all of the walls of Chester. And this time try and walk all of the walls round the... Yes. I was reading an article this morning about noise pollution and how it's not good for your health. And I stepped out of our hotel and I've just been very conscious of the fact of noise everywhere, whether it's the sound of cars or the sound of aeroplanes. And the plane has now gone. So yes, this morning we're going to walk alongside the River Dee, which runs through Chester City. And also we're going to walk along all the walls, the Roman walls in Chester as well. But first, Elaine is going to take us to a geocache.
Yeah, sorry, I'm rather excited because I need a new pair of walking shoes.
These are Elaine's walking boots.
So I want some Scarpa walking shoes.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to show us?
Well, I'll probably have them.
Ooh.
So just like a boot. I'll be as comfortable as my boot, but won't be as booty.
Okay. Less booty for your feet.
I need less booty for when I'm urban walking. I love my boots, so comfy.
What else are we going to do in a few moments?
Well, I like collecting geocaching souvenirs, and if you get a mystery cache between the 14th and the 16th of March, it's Pi Day. Because it's American dating, so March is 3 and the 14th is 3.14, which is the closest number to pi.
So in summary, we get a souvenir.
We get a souvenir if you find it puzzle cache over 3 days.
It's a beautiful Sunday morning as well. It's lovely. Mid-March.
Mid-March.
We've got to walk under an archway.
Oh, mid-March. There's an arch.
Oh no, we are rhyming. Good timing. In March, under the arch. Right.
It's Pi Day. 3.14. Oh, I thought it was 3.14259, but it's 1.14. I've been doing pi wrong all these years.
Oh dear.
All those calculations that have involved pi, I've got wrong.
But
Yeah.
we found the geocache.
Yes.
And because of that, we've earned that. We won't show you where the cache was hidden because it's a puzzle cache.
All my other souvenirs. Oh, look, the first one was in 2005 because we found a cache in the United Kingdom. Ah! And since then, oh look, Spain, Florida, Mega Whales, Leap Day, Olympics. Wow! Wow! All the way back to Pi Day.
What did you just say?
The birds and the bells.
Yes. Oh no.
Stopped.
Oh, I was about to give you a nice example of
So beautiful.
nice noise pollution. The bells were ringing not 2 moments ago. That's what happens when you film. You go, quick, get the camera, and then it stops. Well, you get the camera out when there's no one around. You start filming. Someone walks around the corner and spoils your shot. It happens. Back at the River Dee. We're going to get on the wall here and do a lap of the city walls. Aching knees. You are here where soldiers patrolled, tolls were taken, and the people promenaded. Promenade or promenaded? Okay. Roman Gardens to our right. And there's the amphitheatre. And the not so old Travelodge opposite. Little bit of scaffolding and work being done. Noisy car park. Huxley's. And the city walls. Up the steps. Here we are again. Look on the other side. Now we're heading down towards the cathedral. It's coming from this, isn't it? I think so. I think that's what was making the noise that I could hear yesterday as well. Most picturesque part. Nice that the sun's shining. Let's see what this sign says. Bench. Pemberton's Parlour.
Could have been me if I was born how many years ago?
Ooh, quite a few. Canal is down there. We walked along there yesterday. There's a group singing down here. This is the entrance to the racecourse. This is Britain's oldest racecourse. Racing for almost 500 years. All ends for a short while, and it literally restarts roughly where we joined it. We're back by the River Dee, University of Chester to our left, and this is where the wall starts again. That's where we started, on top of that bridge. Yay! And this is where we started.
Oh gosh, it's 1.84 miles all the way around. It's good, isn't
Took
it?
us almost 50 minutes.
But we stopped and read the signs and
We
enjoyed
did.
the walk, so...
Hope you enjoyed our walk around the city walls. Highly recommended. That's good.